Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So today when I booted up my Windows 11 laptop, I noticed something interesting. And if we head to the taskbar search, I noticed that things are really starting to look cluttered and busy and bloated. And I noticed here to the top right, there is a new daily quiz, which wasn't there yesterday. And the quiz is, the Colosseum is located in which city? Rome, Athens, Florence, and obviously that's Rome. And if we click on that, there's the answer, and then it gives you different stats and all that about the answer. This time, Rome is where the Colosseum is located. Now, previously, the search highlights, this image here, used to take up the whole top section. And now we've got a quiz, we've got top apps, and AR tools. And this AR tools is something I've posted on about 6 months or so ago, which has been coming and going in this search, but I'll leave the video for this link down below and in the end screen if you'd like some more information. So we've got suggested, search highlight, quiz, top apps, AR tools, trending searches, games for you, and videos and so on. So things looking very busy, and I would suggest that the search in Windows 11 is now starting to look like a billboard. And personally, I don't need any of this on my search in Windows 11. The only reason I leave it on is to spot features like this so I can share with you guys on the channel and keep you guys posted. Now, although this is the case to some degree or the other, you are able to declutter the taskbar search. And how we would do this is we would head into our settings, head over to privacy and security, click on search, and what you can do is you can toggle off show search highlights. And if we head back, let's just click again. Sometimes it takes an extra click. There we go. We can see things at least looking a little bit less cluttered with all the search highlights and the quiz and the AR tools and everything else being removed. So to some degree or the other, this does slim it down a little bit and debloat it. But nonetheless, I'm just making you aware of that. This may be region specific. You may or may not have seen this already. But I certainly hope Microsoft puts the brakes on adding more bloat to the search. I don't think it's necessary. So let me know down below. Are you seeing what I've just showed you today in this video? I'd be interested to hear. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.